Welcome to the Met Office weekend weather forecast, and we are expecting some big changes. The intense heat, the big thunderstorms of the next couple of days will be replaced by cooler conditions. Now, it'll still be warm when the sun's out, but it won't be anything like as hot. There'll be some sunny spells on Saturday, but there will be some heavy showers too, and then something we haven't seen for quite some time, a spell of wet and windy weather for many of us on Sunday. Some welcome rain for quite a few parts of the UK. What's going on? Well, it's all changed because low pressure is trying to move in, and these weather fronts in particular are bringing cooler and fresher air from the Atlantic. Ahead of that, we've got the extreme heat through Thursday and Friday, but just look as these weather fronts finally oust that. The warm weather, the hot spell clears away and much cooler air comes in from the Atlantic, but these weather fronts on Sunday especially introduce more rain and the isobars squeeze together, which is why it will also get quite windy on Sunday too. So on Saturday, there's still the remnants of the hot air across the east, at least for a time, potentially some heavy showers over northeast Scotland, and then a band of quite heavy showers, it looks like moving in, crossing northern England, Wales, and pushing back into Scotland. In between, there'll be some sunshine, and further south, we should see sunny spells too. And also we'll start to get that fresher feel with temperatures in the mid-30s in places on Friday, while we're seeing values drop by as much as 10 degrees, maybe more in some spots by Saturday. These values in places still above average. It'll still feel warm in the sunshine, but overall a much fresher feel, particularly if you get caught out by those downpours. Now on Saturday, one area of low pressure starts to edge away, and then on Sunday another one kind of develops, and it's these weather fronts which will bring more cloud and rain on Sunday. And as I said, the isobars squeezing together, so it could get quite windy. Nothing too unusual about this, but because it's been so hot and dry, you will really notice that difference, and those winds may cause some problems. The wet weather mostly focused in the west, where we really need it across the east. Well, can't promise huge amounts here. The message at the moment, stay tuned for more updates, but it certainly won't be as hot, with temperatures more likely to be in the low 20s at best, rather than, as I say, the mid-30s through Thursday and Friday. Please keep up to date with the forecast. Things can change. There are warnings in force for thunderstorms. Keep up to date with those on the Met Office website or follow us on social media.